Hi guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I am so excited for this one because I finally placed an order with Dibs Beauty. This is a brand by Courtney Shield and I love her. You guys have to check out her Instagram if you aren't already following her. She's such a relatable influencer. I just think she's awesome. So I was really excited to order from her brand. So Dibs stands for Desert Island Beauty Status. So basically she created the essentials that you would want with you if you were stranded on a desert island. So what I ordered was one thing from her new launch. This is one of her Desert Island duos, but it's a new shade. This is in 1.5. So this is a cream blush and bronzer duo. The name of the bronzer is Bronze Voyage and the name of the blush is Bloom Service. So super cute. And this is what the packaging of it looks like. So this is the beautiful bronze shade. It has a cool undertone, which I am super intrigued with. I have a neutral undertone and sometimes bronzers just pull way too much warmth for my skin tone. And this is the stunning blush shade. So pretty. And it smells like this is from heaven. It is so good. The first thing it reminds me of is that vanilla scent from MAC lipsticks, which I have always really loved. And then the second product that I picked up is one of her no pressure lip liners. And this is just in the shade Light. I will say though, I was a little bit surprised that it's this small. I get it though, because the whole concept is like this is a lip definer and then you're supposed to attach the lip liner, but I just wanted this shade as a lip liner because the actual lip liner shades just pulled like too much of a pink for me. I'm just such a true nude girl. But so the concept is you're supposed to get like the same size stick of the lip liner, then you have a lip contour or definer, and then you just like have a separate piece that connects the two. So I thought that if I ordered this separately, for some reason I thought it would be bigger just to like have it on its own instead of having the two combined, if that makes any sense. But hopefully this will last for a little while. So I have not used these two products yet, so this is a first impression review and I just can't wait any longer to use these. If you guys end up enjoying this review, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and dive right in. So already on my skin, I have my Neutrogena Hydroboost and my mattifying primer from Dibs Beauty. And I already have my foundation and concealer on. So today I used the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. Mine is in the shade 2.5N. I've been obsessed with that lately. And same with my concealer. I have been using the Dibs Beauty Blurring Full Coverage Concealer. And this is in the shade Fair Light Neutral. So with these products on my face, let's just dive right into using the contour side. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sorry that the light is fluctuating, you guys. I really need to upgrade my camera. I'm just shooting in front of my window because there is something about my camera that like it just doesn't focus well on me anymore, especially in artificial lighting. So I'm just trying something new today. Also, I'm sorry if this crack in my closet drives you crazy. I can promise you it drives me more crazy that it does not shut all the way. So I bought the two brushes that Courtney Shield uses to apply her blush and bronzer duos. So they are both by e.l.f., very affordable. We have the buffing foundation brush and then the ultimate blending brush. The ultimate blending brush looks a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use this one for the bronzer. And before you come at me saying you should definitely wash your brushes before using them, I know, but here we are. All right, so I'm just going to kind of start on my forehead here and go right on my cheek like that. I have my curtain pulled to the side, so hopefully my neighbors aren't looking out their windows and looking at me. Just going to do the same on this side right away. Like that, I think that's good. And then I never use cream bronzer on my nose, but we're just gonna go for it. I love that you can get it so precisely with the edges of this. Any other cream bronzer I've had is not like that. And that is exactly why I've never put it on my nose. All right, let's give it a go. So I'm gonna blend this in first before using the blush. So using the ultimate blending, I need a bigger mirror. This is kind of hard filming right here. Okay, here I go. And for reference, I do have oily skin. Oh my gosh, it blends so effortlessly. Oh my gosh, it's like you can't apply too much of it. And this undertone is everything that I have been wanting in a cream bronzer for so long. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow. I love this brush to apply this. Oh my goodness. You know what's nice too is that even though this brush is super affordable, it gives me the Marc Jacobs vibes. His brushes are very similar, like black rounded bottoms, kind of like bougie on a budget, you know? It looks like my natural tan. Thank you, God, for directing me to the correct cream bronzer. Thank you, Courtney Shields, for inventing this. Okay, you guys can kind of see it, but I have like a little irritated red area right here, so just try to ignore that if you can. That is because I decided to basically like dermablade my face. I don't know why I get these grand ideas to do stuff like that before filming, like plucking my eyebrows, basically re-piercing my ears. Okay, I'm only just gonna do a little bit more, nothing too crazy. As I just keep going, because I'm like so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. My package came in the other day and it took everything for me to wait to film this first impression. I just want to use it so bad. The reason why I went in with more is because I use the Colourpop No Filter setting powder, and even though the shade says translucent, it completely washes me out. So I like to just have a really tan base going on before I set it. So the reason I waited to blend out my nose is because I think I want to try with my sponge first. I'm kind of nervous. It has never, ever been this easy to use a cream bronzer on my nose. Amber, no honey, stay down, please. Every time he does this, Amber, no honey. You wanna say hi? Hi, everyone. Oh, gosh. He's like, I'm just trying to give the people what they want. They wanna see me. Okay, I just got excited all over again because I just focused so much on the bronzer. I seriously almost forgot that I have a whole new cream blush to apply. I'm gonna whip out the buffing foundation brush. So these are the differences in the two. Not a huge difference. This one is just slightly smaller. Just look at this shade. It is so pretty. So just going to... I don't know if I want to rub it or like stamp it. That is so pretty. Okay, let's do this side first. Seriously, so beautiful. Just blends out so easily. So instead of where some cream bronzers and cream blushes will like shift your foundation and concealer underneath. I'm sorry guys, Ember is right next to the camera. This did not do that. It just perfectly paired with my base products. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this into place with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This is in the shade Light 1. So I'm just setting my under eyes with this. I seriously whipped this bad boy out again just because when I was watching Courtney Shield's makeup tutorials, this is what she used to set her under eyes. It's just so fun when you come across a new influencer or beauty guru that you can be obsessed with and binge watch their videos. I think that's the best feeling ever. So those products are definitely creamy. They don't have a super dewy finish, but I would say it's like natural semi-matte finish, leaning more towards the natural. Okay, now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with that Colourpop translucent powder. So I don't know if you guys can tell in this lighting or not, but this powder and translucent does just kind of wash me out. So I was mainly using the shade 1.5 as a bronzer just to warm up my face. So I'm still gonna do contour, highlight, I'll do my brows and my eyes, and then I will pop back on. Okay, the rest of my makeup is done. I pretty much followed the same steps that I took in my that girl, clean girl makeup tutorial. So if you are interested in how I did the rest of my makeup, just click the link in the description box down below. Otherwise, I will have every single product that I use listed down below also. So lastly, let's try out her No Pressure Lip Definer. Mine is in the shade Light. What's really nice about this too is that you can twist it up. Oh my gosh, yes. Finally, a tan nude shade of a lip liner that doesn't pull orange on me. It is so pretty. I'm like not even showing you guys. It goes on so smoothly. It just glides right on. There's no tugging. It doesn't feel waxy. Look at that shade. And I'm just gonna top it off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Haze Satin Lipstick. Wow, and it like does not budge either. So I'm just going to top this with my Merit Beauty Bel Air lip oil. My lips are pretty dry right now, so I feel like they do not look as good as I want them to. That is a beautiful lip liner. Okay guys, so this completes my first impression review and tutorial of the Dibs Beauty products that I ordered. I can say that I am completely in love with these just right off the bat. It doesn't look dewy on my skin once it was set, so I'm really thankful for that. I feel like she made the perfect consistency out of these blush and bronzers, but it is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with these. I totally forgot to tell you guys how much these both are, so one second. Okay, so her Desert Island Duos are $32 each, and just for the single No Pressure Lip Definer, this was $16, except she was having a 20% off discount code active when I ordered these, so I was really excited about that. And I ordered this on its launch day because I was so excited about the shade, and I am so glad I did. I have no regrets. If you guys found this review helpful, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. Otherwise, I will see you all in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!